Hello viewers, welcome to my video. Today we will discuss about how to remove hidden from quick ad on Snapchat. Now if you're on Snapchat and you previously hid a specific person from the quick ad page, but you always want to go back and undo that, I'm going to walk you through your options. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Now let's open up the Snapchat app here on your iPhone or Android and open your profile at the left top corner. Now let's scroll down here and let's press on Add Friends option. And on any of these different ones, I can always hide someone just by tapping on the little X right next to their name. And it says, hid Christopher, and you can tell you why. Now, immediately after hiding them, you can always just hit the undo button if you wanted to basically unhide them or remove them from that hidden feature. But let's say I tap the little X and I didn't hit the undo button. I can always go back and find all of those by tapping on the three dots at the top, right? And then tapping on hidden from quick ad. It will show every single person on here on this list, and on any of these different ones, I can have two different ways. One is I can always tap on the little add button, and of course that will remove them from the hidden from the quick ad because essentially I've added them already and they're already friends with me. However, there's another way as well. You can press on their profile here and then click on the basically three dots at the top right corner, and then you can choose to block this specific person. So, of course, you can always add them, but you can also choose to block them and then immediately unblock them. So to unblock them, just go back, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then just scroll down until we get to, where is it? Here you can see block users, tap on that. And on any of these different ones, we can just tap the little X, and yes. And that will essentially unblock them and remove them, but they won't be in the hidden from quick ad list anymore. Essentially, it'll remove all of those people that you blocked, even if you've unblocked them. I hope this helps you. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, viewers.